So today I'm at the Beaconsfield services on the M40, and there's been some much needed EV charging expansion here. But initially I couldn't find them. I thought they weren't there. They're not on the right hand side where the existing Gridserve and Ionity chargers are. They're actually down there on the left hand side of the site. But there wasn't any signage as you drive in to show you that these are here yet.
So I've looked back at my Tesla camera footage and there is signage. There's this big one as you enter, which I did see, but I thought that was just splitting the traffic to the two sets of original chargers on the right hand side. But it's this new small sign here which I missed, which is showing you that the new Gridserve chargers are on the left.
So here we've got 6 400 kilowatt chargers giving you 12 EV charging bays.
And that's in addition to the original 3 Gridserve 50 kilowatt chargers and the 6 Ionity 350 kilowatt chargers on the right.
So there's some problems with these Ionity chargers today. I've heard some people talking down there, and one chap's on the phone possibly to support, but some of them aren't working by the looks of it.
So I did direct a couple of the drivers to the new chargers at the other side of the site, as they were queuing at both the Ionity and the old Gridserve chargers. These new Gridserve chargers are ultra rapid 400 kilowatt.
And Gridserve now do auto charge, where you can just plug in, it will recognise your car and take the payment automatically.
So now at Beaconsfield services there's a total of 24 charging bays.
Also in this far left corner, possibly there's some more coming, because there's some work still being done here by Delta HV Power Services, and they're doing some groundwork here. So I'm not sure whether this is what's remaining from that new Gridserve installation over there. I doubt it, because this would have probably all gone by now. So I would imagine something else is going to be going in along here.
These services at Beaconsfield opened in 2009 and was the largest services in the UK at the time. Then in 2014, Wetherspoons opened here, which caused a lot of controversy by having a pub on the UK motorway network. I've ate in that pub many times, but I've never gone out the back, so I didn't realise there was an outside eating area, or the lake with picnic benches and a children's play area. Until I saw these new Gridserve chargers today, I didn't realise this lake was here, because I've never come to the left side of the buildings. I'm gobsmacked that I've been stopping here quite regularly for 17 years and didn't realise this existed. I used to regularly use the original Ecotricity electric highway chargers here when I used to drive 22 kilowatt hour Zoes and charge at 43 kilowatt AC. Anyway, I hope you found this video useful, and do share it on your social media platforms so others know that there's now chargers at both sides of the site. And there's something you don't see very often, a DeLorean, and Grok tells me there's 303 of these on the road in the UK, which surprised me. Okie doke, I'll see you on the next one. The videos I make on this channel are primarily to help others and share knowledge. If you found a video helpful, please show your appreciation by at least clicking the thumbs up button, and leaving a comment also helps too, as does subscribing to the channel. All of this is free of charge. I do not use paid memberships or Patreon, which is how most YouTubers earn their money. I only earn from the YouTube ad commissions. But under every video on this channel is a super thanks button. So if you found a video particularly useful, or maybe it saved you money or time, then please consider a donation using the super thanks button. You could buy me a coffee, a pint, or contribute to the running cost of this channel. There's over 1100 videos on this channel now, so please have a browse, use the search, and have a look at the playlists.